Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x80072f8f and also 0x97DD001E. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing I will recommend you guys doing is heading over to settings. From settings, go to account, and you're going to basically just remove your account and then add it back in. You can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can also do is head over to the home page on Xbox, and you can do that by clicking on the Xbox logo on the controller, heading over to profile and system, and you're going to sign out. Once you sign out and sign back in, you can also check to see if that fixes the issue. The third thing I recommend you guys doing is heading over to network settings, heading over to advanced settings. And from advanced settings, you're basically going to click on the primary and secondary DNS option, and you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once you do that, I recommend doing test your in-network connection, make sure to see everything's working fine, and also you can restart your console as well. And once you do that, you should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.